So hi friends, today we are going to discuss about Little's law as part of our operations. So let us see who found this Little's law. Though most of you are in operations, but may not be aware of what is this Little's law. So let us look at the formula and as well as understand with some examples. So John Little, who is the chair of management science at MIT Solon School of Management, found this Little's law. So what is the formula of this Little's law? It's very simple. Inventory equal to flow rate into flow time. I equal to R into T. So let us look at this formula with one example. Let's say, for example, take a restaurant having 100 chairs and assume that the average time spent by each customer is 1 hour in the restaurant. So in this case, the 100 chairs are inventory. So I equal to 100 and the average time spent 1 hour. So that is the flow time. So T equal to 1 hour. So now if you want to see what is the customer flow rate, so R equal to I by T, so which is 100 chairs divided by 1 hour equal to 100 customers. So this is how we calculate using Little's law. So if demand is constant or less than the capacity that you have, so then Little law works. But if the demand is more than capacity, yes, we should work to build up the inventory to meet the demand. This is what Little's law tells about. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe and press bell icon to view latest videos from my channel. Thank you.